Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about the earphone connection problem in Samsung Galaxy S24. So if you are facing the headphone jack related issue or the earphone connection problem, I will talk about how to fix it. I will show you all the steps in this video you have to follow, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. For further detail, now let's watch the video.